You hear the one about the guy who got a World Series ticket for $6 in Boston? The last time someone was this lucky, they had to run home and get Grandpa Joe out of bed. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. Someone had to have screwed up a decimal place when posting the World Series tickets on StubHub. And now Eric Jabs got them for $3, plus $3 in StubHub fees. Cheaper than the $8 tickets when the Cards and Sox met in the 1967 World Series. Eric sent a screen grab of his transaction to Deadspin to celebrate the World Series of ticket buying, which we're aware could all be a hoax. It's in a good section too. Other tickets in that section are going for more than 750 bones. Eric's now got two options. He can scalp the ticket for a tremendous profit, or he can go to Fenway and be the guy who beat the system. As for the guy who I can only assume screwed up the decimal point, in keeping with the Willy Wonka theme,
you get nothing! You lose! Good day, sir!
Alright, that was harsh. I'm sorry. But hey, there's always game 2, right? Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.